Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the watch. This is necessary so images transfer reliably. Open Zepp Life and sign in, then make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the watch has at least 20% battery. Tap Profile, choose My Devices, and select your specific model. This links the app to your hardware. Once paired, you're ready to change wallpaper. Make sure sync is active. Without it, custom images won't appear on the watch. Now choose the image or face. Tap Watch Face, then Gallery or Watch Faces Store to pick a pre-built option. Alternatively, hit Add to import a photo from your phone. Crop and position the image to the watch template. Most watches prefer 16:9 or a circular crop, so adjust accordingly to avoid cutoff. Once the preview looks right, pick dial complications like step count or battery. Once done, tap Set or Sync to finish by syncing the new wallpaper to the watch. Tap Sync now and wait 30 to 90 seconds while the app transfers the file. You'll see progress in the app. After sync completes, check the watch face for correct time, complication data, and alignment. Make adjustments and resync if needed. If the transfer fails, restart the Zepp Life app, toggle Bluetooth, and try a smaller image or different crop. These steps fix most issues and ensure a clean final display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.